If you're trying to build an AI automation agency, you have been fed a lie. You think the secret is mastering N8N, learning Python, or finding the perfect integration. You think it's all about the tech. And sure, that's important, but it's only the 20% of the game. The agencies pulling in $10, $20, $50,000 a month, they have mastered the other 80%. The business, the psychology, the strategy. These are the things the gurus won't tell you because it's boring, it's hard work. It exposes just how simple the tech really is. In this video, I'll share with you the 5 secrets that make the difference between a struggling freelancer and a thriving 10K plus per month agency. And trust me, you'll want to stick around for secret number 5. So with that, let's dive right in. The first secret is the secret of cost. Most beginners ask clients, what AI automation do you want? Pros ask, what's currently costing you a fortune? Here's the shift. Instead of asking, what can I build? Ask the $1 million question. What's costing the business $50,000 a year or more? If you can solve a $50,000 per year problem, charging $1,000 per month or $12,000 a year, that makes you a hero and not an expense. You're not selling AI. What you're selling is a $38,000 saving. That's why the best agencies don't start with the code. They start with a financial audit. Hunting for the biggest, most expensive problem. Because if there's no expensive problem, there's no real demand, period. That's what I mean by the secret of cost. Now, moving to secret number 2, which is the secret of willpower. You can build the perfect automation, but if it's the client's team who won't use it, it will fail. The biggest cost in automation is human friction. Top agencies don't just look for client budgets, they look for clients with resolve. They ask the willpower question. Is the leadership willing to change their people and their processes to make this work? They don't want a client who's just curious. They want a client in pain. Ouch. The kind of pain that drives real change within a company. Because if your client isn't fully committed, your build will sit in Notion and probably rot. You will become a vendor and not a long-term partner. Top agencies don't waste time building solutions for people who won't implement them. Now that is the secret of willpower. Secret number 3 is the secret of scalability. This is where most freelancers will hit a wall. They build every project from scratch. Every client equals a new brand of headache. That's how you end up burned out, underpaid, and stuck, and will probably give up. Top agencies, they operate like a product company and not a custom shop. Their secret is the 3 in, 1 out blueprint, which essentially is build one automation, sell it to 3 clients with only some light tweaks. Thirdly, then build something new. They don't chase custom builds. They repurpose, optimize, and scale. Find a repeatable process to automate, something like lead scoring, onboarding, or data syncing. Build it well once, then sell it again and again and again. That's how you scale without drowning in dev time. That's the secret of scalability. Secret number 4, the secret of pricing. Here is where most beginners leave thousands of dollars on the table. They charge by the hour. That will be 40 hours at $150 per hour. While that's fine if you want to stay a freelancer forever, but the successful agencies, they use something that is called value-based pricing. They don't sell time, they sell results. If you're saving a business, let's say $50,000 a year, charging $1,000 a month or $12,000 per year, like we mentioned in secret number 1. It's an incredibly good deal for the client. The best agencies understand this. You only need to take a slice of the value that you create. And when you deeply understand your client's financial pain, your fee feels like a smart investment and not a cost. That is the secret of pricing. And now to the final secret number 5, the one that you have been waiting for. The secret of maintenance. This is one that nobody talks about. Freelancers think launching the automation is the finish line. But real entrepreneurs like you and I, we know it's just day one. Every automation is like an employee on probation. It will break, APIs will update, formats will shift, and stuff will fail. If you're not prepared to monitor, fix, and adapt, your reputation and your income will go to zero. That's why the best agencies build a continuous improvement loop, which is ongoing support, full documentation, and paid maintenance retainers. They don't just fix things when they break. They protect the client's investment and ensure that the ROI keeps coming in. That's the difference between building some sort of toy and delivering a revenue-generating asset. Now, that's the secret of maintenance. So let's recap. The 5 secrets the top AI automation agencies know are: cost. Find the big expensive problem. Number 2, willpower. Only build for clients ready to change. Number 3, scalability. Productize, don't custom build every time. Number 4, pricing. Charge based on value, not hours. And lastly, maintenance. Stay involved, stay valuable, stay paid. Not one of these had anything to do with Python, APIs, or no-code tools. Because this game isn't about the tech, it's about the business. It's about understanding the pain, solving real problems, and building things that actually get used. If you found this helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe for more real talk on building a modern automation business. And drop a comment. Which secret hit the hardest? Or did I miss one? Now, get out there, stop chasing the tech, start solving problems, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.